Next, we'll take a deep dive into how to configure your wishes for Gmail. First, let's jump straight to the Gmail account entry by typing Gmail in the quick search bar and clicking the link. Now in this case, Gmail is one of the rare providers that gives users an online tool as an optional way for you to control your legacy settings. But just like with other beneficiary designations, it's important to document your wishes both on Gmail and here in your inventory. So first, let's review your choices. Now you can see these with the green outline and the green digital directive tab. These are the options provided directly by Gmail's online tool. Now these other options are still valid, but they would require manual intervention by your executor or your trustee to later effectuate this. So in this case, let's select auto deletion. Now what that means is after I pass away, I would like Gmail to automatically delete my account. Now that I've selected auto deletion, you can see here this is the normal account add screen, but in this case there's also a reminder to set this up directly within your Gmail account. But first, let's go ahead and add our details here and click Save My Gmail Account at gmail.com. And just a note to be clear here, but this is optional. And I'll go ahead and click Submit. So, this has now added our wish to our inventory, and when I go to our inventory, I can see Gmail's been added with my account information configured for automatic deletion, but you can see a little yellow warning note saying that the digital directive is incomplete. So what we need to do to finish is click that link, which will take you to our digital directives page. From here, you can see which accounts you've entered that offer online tools, but in this example so far that's only Gmail. So you can see here that Gmail provides an online tool called an Inactive Account Manager where you can log in to configure your notification sharing and deletion preferences. Now what you'll want to do is click that link and then follow Gmail's instructions to set that up. And when you're all done, you click the Done checkbox. That will mark that the digital directive is complete. So after we've done that, when we go back to our inventory, we can see that the green box is now showing digital directive complete for our Gmail account, and we've now completed all the setup steps for Gmail. So we can now move on to other accounts, assets, or inventory items.